Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, brings you the news and events from Megalia. Here are the headlines for today. Megalia Estimate Committee reaches West Janta Hills District for inspection. Owner of Petrochemical Mercantile Private Limited appeals for understanding. Nehu students rallies for grading system reform. And Tura Youth Circle donates blood to save young woman's life. Another news in detail. In a significant development, the Megalia Estimate Committee conducted an inspection of the residential school situated in Sabah Muswang, West Janta Hills District on September 6, 2023. Led by Chairman and Nongpo MLA Shri Mirbon's aim, the committee included esteemed members such as Maukarwat MLA Shri Renikton El Tongkar, North Shillong MLA Shri Adelbert Nongrum, Joai MLA Shri Wailat Miki Shilla, Selsala MLA Shri Arbanstone B. Marak, and Ambati MLA Srimati Miana D. Shira. Their mission was to evaluate the condition, status, and infrastructure of the residential school. Furthermore, the committee extended the opportunity for the headman of Sabah Muswang, who contributed the land for the school's construction, to voice any concerns or issues related to the institution and its operations. Following the inspection, the committee members were honored at the community hall in Sabah Muswang. The event was graced by the presence of Deputy Commissioner, West Janta Hills, Shri B.S. Solia, IAS, and District School Education Officer, Joai, Srimati A.P.'s aim, along with officials from PWD building.
Okay, condemn in many places.
So the same thing will put an observation for this also. The same thing that I'm giving is complete.
And we can meet
So
once
urge
with
the
the
department
directive
to make sure to work out for
Has been sanctioned at the same time. The work is not yet been completed. It's the other part. So compared to other sites, this is quite satisfactory for the committee. So on behalf of the committee, also sorry, I forgot to introduce myself as the chairman, Mbak Wailan, Mbak Renikton, Kong Niani, Arbin Stone, Sangma, and Adelban. 6 MLA are here today. 4 of them member of issues and project that has been stalled, that has not been completed. And why we select this site also, we select randomly all over the state. So few area we found out that it is completed, few area we found that it is 50%, some area we found is only 15%, 10% is like that. So we are quite satisfactory today after visiting this site as per the estimate already made as per the work order, and we are quite happy to see that the building has completed. And except other component, feedback has to be sent from all the district. We advise the district like that to send to the education department so that all the residential schools that have been set up in different CLRD block in the state, they will be made functional, because we don't want just a waste of public money. Because residential school without hostel, without playing ground, without the field where they can play, it is incomplete. So that is the observation, and we would like to see in days to come that from your end as a DC, from the education department, from the district, to send to the government for the overall completion of this.
John Lapang, the owner of Petrochemical Mercantile Private Limited located in Ribhoi, has made a public plea for understanding and clarification after his company was locked by the CORP Ribhoi district on September 5th. In his defense, Lapang emphasized that his factory is not operating illegally, as alleged by the authorities, as he possesses all the necessary documents, including a valid trading license. He further clarified that his facility, primarily a petroleum stocking factory, does not emit any harmful smoke or other emissions that could jeopardize the health of the local residents. According to Lapang, the operation consists solely of tanks for storing petroleum products.
Nggak di John Lapang, Ayush Shillong dong, but they have proper. And they do try to company petrochemical. Không biết này thì mình made interesting ấy thôi, thì đơn bawah, thì one tin chính khang, thì lúc tới thì tin chính khang, thì tuli, thì ada mereka yang ada kau dia try, tengah tengah tu tahan ya, thì hadin itu tidak lagi. Entah apa deh, benen kisuan berdarek, jadi kumbalai po media, iwan hadu samposan po. Kipan ki dokumen soga, kipan ki kita ki hona ba oga le illegal ki kita. Kagala pan ibar ki kot kisla soga. Ope kane kamde daga karkhana basnane ba manufacture ne kumne kumtam de kane kade tang trading. Na shudhit mar na bar na di badhanga. No. Te na pani ya trade license, na pani ya GST juga na pani ya bil juga bar ko. Te ne ne jadi bagi ki khantala. Kalau kapal di nai EU demo, menganggap dia illegal, bila mencet di lagi kot Islam juga. Entah kalau kemudian kumbal kimbut mungkin mentah mah, ada illegal lah ni, dia ada diesel lah ni, petrol lah ni, kayak rumah. Kalau orang kemudian tes rak sampel lah ni, kita tes apa yang terjadi. Makanya kamde dekat, kamde kayak diesel petrol, tadi kan ni. Kalau apa tahu kiro menen, tadi industrial oil, mixed oil, fuel oil, organic, epic light oil, jadi kini. Kadang rumde bangasna hang ne, kathit labar, ngadi bat ne. Kadang kita trading, food trading ngaladan ne, income tax ngaladan, GST ngaladan, everything ngaladan. Jadi promotion ngaladan. Jadi hang kalau kumne te kami hak mo, kita ingat orang business orang kita. Si kumu kasih. Hajalala jo ngamla butre lai doi ya sponsi kan so ko kamde daga bangale be nami kadi joka hi bena itu no menden kumla kunta kenal au iki ra sampel le test anu no le betul ki la test makane kadi tang kau pniang ba dungkam hati ban shna krok mo le ne ben kunta te lada kadi ga kiwan daga kali kita should unload है ने stock है ने one of thing we should debate है so कोई रो कने को उम्पने कम तो ही रेशन है इला बन पे कम तो ही रेशन है कम जो बोल रहा है कम स्मार्ट है कम दोनों ये तक तक कम मोटर तो so कोई रो कुम पिकन नो आएगा बगैर किधर कम की export है ने जिनसे ada पे है ने तंग पंडित पुनिया कम motor dan कम to export mana-mana rola apa तो सबको एरो गिटार की देखिए एक्सपर्ट हाँ तो कुंभा देगा हाँ पेट्रोल
तो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो अभी हमें फैक्ट्री जो अभी हो गया अभी 2-3 साल हो गया तो ऐसा हम लोग को तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा जैसा कि जानलेवा या कुछ पोल्यूशन या कुछ ऐसा चीज़ जो हो जो हम लोग के लिए जो हार्मफुल है ऐसा तो अभी तक तो हम लोग नहीं देख रहा है इसे लग भी नहीं रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ जानलेवा है तो और हम लोग छानबीन करके हम लोग का जो हेडमैन का जो एनओसी है हम लोग छानबीन करके ये एनओसी हम लोग इशू किया है इन लोग के लिए लेकिन हम लोग का जितना भी यहाँ पे पब्लिक है और जो पब्लिक है जो आस पड़ोस का जो बस्ती है इन लोग में से हम लोग का कोई कंप्लेन नहीं आया आज तक और ऐसा कि जो नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है उसमें भी कुछ अभी तक ऐसा कुछ मिला नहीं हम लोग को नॉइस कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है ये जो फैक्ट्री ऐसा नहीं है ये फैक्ट्री ऐसा फैक्ट्री बोल के नहीं है ये जैसा कि ये जस्ट एक स्टॉक है जो ये लोग लाता है या में से स्टॉक होता है स्टॉक में से ये लोग दूसरा में सप्लाई दे देता है जो पाइप वगैरह है या में लगा हुआ है वो पाइप से ये लोग तो स्टॉक में से लोग निकाल के दूसरा स्टेट पर दूसरा जगह में लोग लेके जाता है इसका देखो इसका लिए तो मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि जो चीज़ लगा हुआ है और उसके लिए ही जो वर्कर है लाया गया है ये जो लोग काम अभी तक तो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि लोग एक्सपर्ट नहीं है या इसका बारे में जानकारी नहीं है ऐसा यहाँ में ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा है कि तो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो अभी हमें फैक्ट्री जो अभी हो गया, अभी 2-3 साल हो गया, तो ऐसा हम लोग को तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा जैसा कि जानलेवा या कुछ पोल्यूशन या कुछ ऐसा चीज़ जो हो जो हम लोग के लिए जो हार्मफुल है, ऐसा तो अभी तक तो हम लोग नहीं देख रहा है। इसे लग भी नहीं रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ जानलेवा है। तो और हम लोग ये छानबीन करके हम लोग का जो हेडमैन का जो एनओसी हम लोग छानबीन करके ये एनओसी हम लोग इशू किया है इन लोग के लिए। लेकिन हम लोग का जितना भी यहाँ पे पब्लिक है और जो पब्लिक है जो आस पड़ोस का जो बस्ती है, इन लोग में से हम लोग का कोई कंप्लेन नहीं आया आज तक। और ऐसा कि जो नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है उसमें भी कुछ अभी तक ऐसा कुछ मिला नहीं हम लोग को, नॉइस ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है। ये जो फैक्ट्री ऐसा नहीं है, ये फैक्ट्री ऐसा फैक्ट्री बोल के नहीं है, ये जैसा कि ये जस्ट एक स्टॉक है जो ये लोग लाता है, या में से स्टॉक होता है, स्टॉक में से ये लोग दूसरा में सप्लाई दे देता है। जो पाइप वगैरह है या में लगा हुआ है, वो पाइप से ये लोग तो स्टॉक में से ये लोग निकाल के दूसरा स्टेट पर दूसरा जगह में ये लोग लेके जाता है। इसका देखो इसका लिए तो मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, क्योंकि जो चीज़ लगा हुआ है और उसके लिए ही जो वर्कर है लाया गया है। ये जो लोग काम अभी तक तो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि ये लोग एक्सपर्ट नहीं है या इसका बारे में जानकारी नहीं है। ऐसा यहाँ में ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा है कि यहाँ चाहिए एक्सपर्ट वाला आदमी चाहिए। ये जस्ट एक स्टॉक है, उसमें क्या होता है मोटर को स्विच दबाना है, स्विच दबा के इसको जो लाया गया सामान को अनलोड करना है स्विच से, उसका बाद और लोड करने के लिए स्विच से हो जाता है। उसमें एक्सपर्ट और एक्सपीरियंस के लिए मेरा ख्याल में इधर में कुछ जरूरत भी नहीं है, और जो इतने एक्सपर्ट है पूरा जानकारी वाला आदमी है।
Students of North-Eastern Hills University, Nehu, took to the streets on September 6th, conducting a rally from the university library to the office of the Vice-Chancellor, presenting a series of demands related to the university's grading system, voicing their concerns about the existing grading system at Nehu, which they believe is inadequate compared to grading systems used by other universities across the country. Speaking to the media, the leader of the union stated that the current grading system at Nehu has created obstacles for students who aspire to pursue further studies or seek employment opportunities outside the university. They emphasized the urgency of implementing a new, more equitable grading system that aligns with national standards. The union has given a 10-day ultimatum to the university authorities, urging them to initiate discussions and reforms regarding the grading system. Should their demands go unaddressed, the students have warned of more significant and persistent protests in the days to come.
Kumbai yongi finance secretary ka jingwan yaki jongi ani kadai namtaga grading system. Balai long kalong ka basarung ma min shuai long ka juba kawai ba kikna kiba kuliah we ke university kio kambun ban kikna university jongi te kawai kalong ba kala bande ba ka authority lani ki ba aya ki grade ki kany kna ki ba bi lani kala ban long ba kala bandon ka jingduna te hakani ka grading system dena takadaw ngi wan hane kumbang juang mene nadum ning yang ngimwan reban pan sibun ki max ai ngi kumbang de ben yo dena tamaga grading system ka de ben change an nadu ba wan kani ka nipi ke hiar ba ki max namar ba bale menshwa ka CGPA ponjongi ka des hadu hinyaw te ki khna ka to ko poru ki bun ba yo henriu san komta rai menta ka CGPA point kala kiu shudu ispau henry menta ki khna ki dang yo hisan saw te kadon ka ege ka daw te bangila ikran ka to ni ki professor bangim jer kertang ki ong ba nado ba implement ka NEP kalong community ka hiar ka mas anda kala hiar ka mas ka kta kumbalong finance secretary jungi ba ka hiar ka mas ka kta ba namar da phi apply kam sarkar ka thol pa to ba 100% phide banio haka degree jong phi badla da pila PhD lani da pila research akan no field bidong kam 100% na benta ki ST ya ki general le hadu 60% ki de bania te kamu lada ki kena ki yo san pusan siapa lani ga grade jong ki gaduna tek ning nom yo competition show in susah ko dhani kidan ki kena ki bawan singi ki ombang kwa ban sim scholarship ban pulai sabari ban lek pulai sa university ba pher henry kimla re nomor balai ka marks jongi kala dunal pa ansa ka weiru in ayak sampel ka scholarship bun bagi kena ki balai ni hu kim yo re kimla ber ban apply kun ka NFST ban yo ek NFST nomor balai ka marks kala dunal pa ki wei pa ki bawa na university kum na ki ni ki university ki ba na not easy ki yo maki dena kata long ni bang se banwan mi namar kade na banta kala wei ke chongi na banta bang yo ban apply kam ke jing ki chongi kalong ba baro om dei re bakendu ya kalat bakin ai ke exam lani bakin yakun habanta ka interview jong kam ki cham bangong mending ngimwan re ban pani ke ga bangim de ban yo ngiwan pani ke ga bangim de ban yo an pinapet pi ke university kala hiar sedu prapo got no show ka ranking ada ka prapo ranking ke university ki kena kin yo ka marks ka beret kamut ka degree jong ile sada apply kan ki am kena ni hu oh lech kerja
plus ka marks plus ka ranking tapi
Tapi aku tu ya no mana yo visi ne?
Visi dan in charge trong visi nomor visi dan sim interview bangi kumbang ni penpau ngimde de bangi percaya ki ni percaya ke genuine issue but mene visi dan interview sata ngim kwa ban penthodi visi ai ba interview kondan nomor le na jing bahajongi kadai kata nomor bau kandan karukan mencong hinai kai ki khna kin khamyo khambun ge jing kai te ngim percaya kata hendrai ka bawan ngim ta gasni kolom ban race ke issue ba kani ga grading system ka
na kaliang juga newsu mentas ngi la perlong karali rengkat lem pejing don rengkat ki kena boro kani ka rally kade halor jongka grading system apa ni hu kani ka grading system ngani thu pinadu ba ini ki review mana kaniru kila bypass kan newsu ti hajakaban kan kiu kanang hiarban mentada ka tuga grade yan pinlet tab PhD hapo department jongla diru pimnum yo menta ki expect pat ingi bengin yo PhD te ndai tangga taru ini nakal yang juga administration ru kala assure ba kadika journal cost bagila yaki te kila ai assurance singi ba hapo sposngi kin ai ka jubab kin form committee hapo sposngi kin ke karai be ki larai kin ai ni ndrai pat lada ka tu karai kamlong ka basai so ngim ban si man mi biang bat man sim na ka bakam e shu ka
jingi finance but vice president de ka jingi ki ka jongi hani kamdei ka bangi panan long kumta ke nging la li man ki department lai kendu man kina kani ke jingi kamdei ban favor ngi ke ban favor kina nomor ba kani ke jingi ki kadai be ka bawan hi na kasur kina lawan ut yangi wat ki topo lawan ut yangi ki ong ba ki yo tang 6 point kila snow kila tho bha ndrei ki yo ke result ki yo tang 6 point fin de pet le kuma example kum ha khasi department fin de pet imen ne ki bayo ki de 4 point de kabu jingkli yangi balai ba kalong kum tu lasai katu ka marks lada klik tab kum bala ong i vice president klik tab PhD shu nomor pp tangkan hu kamla ban provide ka seat ya baru kena for PhD seat kan dia lada klik tab shawai kan bu jing mai ki nomor shawai ki pan 5.5 nei 100% ya 100% dia pi kan bu jing ba dia ngingim kwa e kata pa kena ladi hi kena bu puli hi bu lech shabar dan shunu university ba on chemjing tang na kadaw kani ke grading system dengi kerpat kumbang lawan mene ni administration yaki kumong yaki om nam da ka jing kwa ka jing renta ki kena de mene la provide ingi de university de kin review within 10 days kalau nak kini within 10 days ne kabumut be ni union ringkat di kena nin ai yang ka jing ki ka ba camping bani ka bamene camping bani ka bamene de ni kerpat ikinong hikai at least kin Shillong linian kindia akama nomor ombaro obobi pindapen mentana du toparu ikumbula bi utopa ikumbula bi kama sebagai ai kini hu topa ikumbula bi dingi kerpat ikinong hikai at least bikin Shillong linian kindia akama datang kat tanah kalian.
In a heartwarming act of generosity, members and leaders of the Tura Youth Circle, led by Publicity Secretary Wilden Marthong, rallied together to donate a total of 4 units of blood to a young woman in urgent need at Civil Hospital Northton. The decision to donate blood stemmed from the dire circumstances faced by the young woman who required blood transfusions but lacked the financial means to afford them. In a statement to the media, Wildan Marthong explained that upon learning of the woman's plight, the union decided to step forward and provide the life-saving blood she required. Marthong emphasized that while the union might not be able to contribute financially to a significant extent, they were determined to donate the blood needed to ensure the young woman's recovery. He also took the opportunity to urge others in the community to extend a helping hand to individuals in dire need of medical attention and encourage them to consider donating blood subject to medical approval.
Ni naka lianjong ka HYC Nongstone Circle ngilia perkat para sipai banya led unit snam namta I ria hunong si batia mantaha po civil hospital Nongstone ba ngilia trelang ro bat ka kado saudi kor ban unit snam namta jong I mawang ngimdon pisai ban yerap kum kiwe ki dikhot seng hanrei ngilshu unit no tang daga snam kado sau unit sau wilor de kene ka jing ai ka berit ka jongi kum ka jing kerku ka jong ulai namanta jong I pai we ba ngilai ban yarap namta jong I ka jing iba ka jong ulai ya ka ba let's say ka jing kerku namta ba ngilai ban ya dunia snam ban pelat im ki mensim an ki para do persnam ki jongi hang neh po ri khasi kajing le unit snam ka long ko bedon kam damenta jongi lang iwe pi we namar ka sidrop ka snam ka jongi kadai ka jing pelaj im ya ki syahjar ki mensim breu dengi don kam ban le ban unit snam namenta kajing im jong ki we pat para benreu lan ki para do persnam ki bedon kam ya ka snam kublai shibut.
The Dorbar Shnong of Thangskai Village, East Janta Hills District, Megalia, has issued a statement addressing recent reports concerning Mr. Ayush Kumar's residential status to the Deputy Commissioner, East Janta Hills District, Cleriat, and the Secretary of the Education Department. Mr. Ayush Kumar had claimed permanent residency in Thangskai Village and also submitted documents for inclusion in the MBES state quota list. The Dorbar Shnong clarified that a temporary residential certificate was issued to Mr. Ayush Kumar in 2021, intended solely for indicating his address while pursuing his 10+2 studies in Odisha. This temporary certificate was never intended for obtaining a permanent residential certificate or PRC or any other government facilities. The Dorbar Shnong acknowledged an error in the temporary certificate but stressed its temporary nature. They placed responsibility on Mr. Ayush Kumar and his father for using the document fraudulently to obtain a PRC. The Dorbar Shnong demanded the removal of Mr. Ayush Kumar's name from the list of selected candidates for state quota seats and the cancellation of the fraudulently obtained PRC. They strongly condemned Mr. Ayush Kumar's fraudulent actions and requested government intervention in this matter.
So naliang yung ikam ko chinong Thangskai dem la jingkit kia halor wani akam wani u Ayush Kumar wada penam kam baklaw ya kanika certificate wada i kam ko chinong namta tangan rumnai andre wada yoy woni utkar da penam kam baklaw ya kanika certificate kardo puai sate pot yang PRC wo penam kam ika da I ama chinong I MW upayang wakre ha factory da bon tali kisnam ni te daw depan le ini ater certificate andre depan le ater certificate temporary andre I ama chinang de le wato dun rup nai openem kamu yang di certificate andre wadiyo anu ka da lew challenges i kam ka chnong de am kawi ka jingmut kawi ka jing yatali wa man step ulai Shillong tu chiami wa kalom ni sta tu ni tin
yo pendam
yo pak pendami yakni ka certificate dan yakni ka PRC yang bonus kar wa penam kam tu le
Damano we chnong yong chnong thang sky ini benta wada yo social media wada bena wada pau ibha ni u Ayush Kumar imenta wapan no pau na temporary residential wa depan udah da em chongkhan no hatai ite benta ta ya temporary yang pentikna sa no bruhani na RLD ya bit benta ta ini benta ikarpa di naliang yong naliang yong chnong percha jori yini percha yani residential temporary ya to PRC wa sarkar wuhim tie ni upat uyo yani bato inu i sen bhalang le IWM hapo yang brin nyau trap yang uya pat urap ya tanah yani.
In a thrilling encounter at Pendeng Umyong ground in Mairang, the First Division League Football Tournament 2023 organized by the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association PDSA witnessed an unexpected turn of events in the quarterfinals clash between Mission United SC and Little Star Academy on September 6th. Both teams displayed remarkable skill and determination throughout the match. Little Star Academy secured a crucial goal through a penalty kick, putting them in the lead. However, a sudden dispute erupted from the Mission United SC camp, leading to a significant misunderstanding. As a result, Mission United SC was unable to continue the match. In light of this situation, the organizers of the tournament had no choice but to declare Little Star Academy as the winner to the quarterfinals, advancing them to the next stage of the competition.
Chụp tí nó ta đang đi Top में तो सारे
recent development in Tura on September 6, 2023, several prominent NGOs in the Garo Hills region, namely AYWO, FKJGP and GSMC based in South Garo Hills Chokpot area have jointly expressed their dissatisfaction with the local PWD road construction project. The NGOs took action by submitting a formal written complaint to the Subdivisional Officer SDO of the South Garo Hills PWD on September 5th, revolving around the negligence and incomplete status of the PWD road in Chokpot area. According to the organizations, the construction of this vital road project began several years ago, but it remains incomplete, leading to significant deterioration in the road's condition. In response to their grievance, the SDO has assured the NGOs that the matter will be thoroughly investigated and addressed promptly. Furthermore, it has been confirmed that work on the road is scheduled to commence on October 10, 2023, providing a ray of hope for the residents of Chokpot and the surrounding areas. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.